Hey folks, Harley and the Vstrom back on here. Out on the Vstrom today, going for a ride. Never know what I'm going to talk about. But I am going to a pretty place, and if you're interested in the ride, hang on. There you go, folks. I really don't know what's up this way, but I'm gonna go back here and check it out and see what I find. I haven't made any videos of getting off the road in a while. Not that this is too much of getting off the road, but I really don't get off the, get on some dirt roads, just gravel roads. But it's been a little bit since I've been out making any videos of that. So we'll let this camera run, see what we run into. Pretty good ravine off on my left down there. Sure wouldn't want to fall off down that way. Anyway, we'll see what we find out, or see what we run into. I hope everybody is getting a ride out there. That summer's been kind of hit and miss as far as weather's been changing a lot. Normally this time of year it's real hot and dry in Arkansas, and you're lucky if you ever get any rain. We are going through a dry spell, but we've had a time where maybe a day of rain will move in, and it cools things off and kind of brought in cool fronts with it. We've been really lucky where we've had like 3 or 4 days where it might stay you know, in the 80s, kind of upper 80s, but compared to upper 90s, you know, that's pretty good. So, and that's happened a couple of times. Yeah. Flat side pinnacle. Okay, I don't know what that is, but we're gonna go check it out. But it's getting the time of year. We're about to go into September, and when September gets here, normally in Arkansas it's about the middle of September, it does start to cool down some. I mean, it can still be hot, but that's when it does normally start cooling off. And then of course late September cools off even more, and October all the leaves start changing. So yeah, that's why I like having this Vstrom. I can do this kind of stuff, you know, run across something I want to check out, which I probably won't leave this running too much longer if I don't run into something good. But we'll see. Kind of a rocky road, so it's I don't know how the cameras, if the camera's shaking, but the old bike's shaking quite a bit. Old mountain biker. I guess this would be a good place to go mountain biking. Yeah, we kind of climbed up a little bit from where we were at, where that lake was at. There's your view, folks, of kind of the scenery around up on the higher ground. Anyway, well, I'm gonna head back down this thing. I don't know if there, because I mean, I don't know this dirt road here. I don't know if there's something, you know, like a scenic overlook or something. I don't know that. So I'm not just gonna keep going. Shit, there's so many dirt roads, gravel roads in Arkansas that crisscross all over. So I'm not gonna keep going and end up, no telling where I end up at. But I'll keep this thing rolling for a little bit. And I'll have to say that that Shinko 705 that's on the back, it seems to be doing a pretty good job. Still got the Bridgestone battle axe on the front because it's still got some life left in it. But that Shinko seems to be doing pretty good. Now, I mean, I ain't got a lot. I don't even think I put 1,000 miles on it yet. But it seems to be doing good in these type of situations where you got, you know, gravel and not, you know, dirt. But I mean, I haven't taken it, you know, to any soft dirt or anything like that. You know, just hard packed dirt roads. But it seems to be doing just fine. And it does fine in the gravel. Real rocky through here. A lot of Arkansas is known for being a rocky area. That road's definitely got a lot of rocks that jut up, you know, stick out and all that. You kind of have to pick your way through some of that. Now, some of these roads you can tell, like this one, they've come through and graded it, threw some little fine gravel on. But well, anyway, I got to do a little bit of getting off pavement. Oh well, I'll shut this thing off for now. Okay, folks, I'm coming back down this thing. I figure I'd turn the TV or turn the camera on here just for a little bit. You do have to watch it on this road because if you get too far off on the edge, you can slide off, and it's a pretty good gully down that way. So, not especially being out here by myself, not trying to get too crazy, but yeah, you want to stay kind of like on the ridge of the road. The edges of it drop off pretty quick. But old Vstrom didn't have no problem. She had done good. Other than bouncing around quite a bit, might have my suspension, you know, adjusted kind of stiff because, you know, most of the time I am on the road. But anyway, like I said, it didn't have no problem. She just handled okay. I would like to get that, and I'll probably do it during the winter. I'll probably go ahead and switch that front tire over and get it to match up with that Shinko that's on the back. Because those Shinkos got a little more, talking to Shinko 705, they got a little more off-road type tread on them than these old Bridgestone battle axes, which really ain't nothing more than the ones that are on this, that came on this bike, are nothing more than street tires. Actually, I'm glad I took this thing down this road. Just been so long since I've been down a dirt and gravel road. That's, you know, not just a flat one, you know, kind of this one being up and down hills, so got to get the feel of the bike a little bit. So like I always say you can lose your riding skills if you don't, you know, go practice them. And like, it's been a little while since I've been off-road, so actually it was good to get that little bit of practice in. But anyway, I'll get off here for right now. Hey folks, I'm back on here. And really closing out a ride. Some of us went on. And had to jump on the interstate, so I just rode this thing for a little while, but I actually want to see with this new microphone what it sounds like out here at interstate speed. So anyway, closing out a good long ride. It's kind of later in the afternoon. Starting to warm up on us, and we're going to call it a day. But it was good to get out. Always good to get out. Do some riding. Going back to the rat race. I liked it better out in the middle of nowhere. But you always have to come back to reality, I guess. I think I'll close this one out. If we could, send a blessing out to all our military folks worldwide. A lot of things going on. And to all of them good first responders. The ones that do it for the right reasons. We can send a blessing off to them. And I tell you what, I'll catch y'all on the next video.